Hey Miller.
What's up?
We're throwing a car show.
Yeah?
That's all I got.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I have a very good relationship with this car, although it is love-hate. And this car is back up for sale. It's here actually. This is F85. So my first time getting delivery of this car, the next day I drove 12 hours in 2 days with a bag of ice on the back of my neck in dead summer and no AC, and had the time of my life. That car ruined me forever, in a good way. Right, Dan?
Help me financially.
So you're about to see what started all this madness. Got me out of the exotics. Amy, what are we doing?
I don't know, I'm just sweating, that's all.
Bye, Miller. He gave me his camera. This is a bad idea. Why is Hoff carrying trash? Why would you give me your camera? Miller will use this footage for something.
And by the way, you know what's really impressive is the fact that you color match the porta potty to your car, and my orange one down there matches the porta potty there. So I
we gotta get that. All right.
So which is the record button now?
Oh, I already recorded.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if this fucking great.
Miller, you might be out of business.
You remember this bad boy.
Yeah, gorgeous.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
Miller left me with his camera.
Did he really?
That's bad news.
Dangerous.
Oh! No, you're not allowed here. We don't let your kind in around here.
I'll leave.
Look at this. Look what Amy got for us. Amy got us personal fans. So Driven Concepts is here. They found me through Instagram. They're based in Mooresville, so we're gonna go chat with him and figure out what it's all about.
What do we got here, boys?
All right, so this is the Driven Monte Rosa. We're building 15 of these cars. They're all based on a Gen 2 Gallardos, so the LPs. And what we've done is we've actually shaved over 600 pounds off the original car and added a crazy amount of fun factor to it. Gallardo over the Huracan, mainly because we want to be building some manuals. I know people would get pissed about it, but dude, it'd be so fun in a manual.
Manuals all day.
Yeah.
So are you going to like Mendiola or someone for the transaxles?
No, so right now this is just base car. Like
this is a Gallardo.
Yes, this is a Gallardo that we've stripped all the way down. We've stripped a bunch off the chassis and stuff, all the unnecessary weight. And then the entire body is carbon fiber that's put back on it. And really the whole concept of it is really kind of what if Ducati built a supercar, right? Like it's got motorcycle vibes. That's why the entire rear is completely exposed. We built in Southern California, but we recently moved here to Mooresville. Yeah.
So, Southern California. Southern California.
Yeah.
We get you.
Yeah, for sure. Performance-wise, besides the massive weight reduction, is just the Olin shocks and exhaust and intake right now. So we are going to do like a VF supercharger, most likely.
Sounds terrible.
Or twin turbo, right? Yeah. Twin turbos would be fun too. Yeah, I mean the power to weight is actually better than a STO Huracan. Like,
really?
Yeah, it's not quite Ariel Atom level, but it's just under like a Huracan STO right now.
Like to think about while you're saying this is traction control. So it's got all the same. It's got the same computers and everything.
Right now,
so you got
this one's
traction
all-wheel
control.
drive. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dude.
Yeah,
Well, we can't have that.
Yeah.
We can't have a manual all-wheel drive. We're gonna have to have rear-wheel drive. Sorry. No, I'm just kidding.
Walking up, I mean, obviously it doesn't look like a Lambo, so like I had no idea. And then when you guys start talking, I'm back there looking at the motor and stuff like that. I'm like, that's pretty cool. And the way they did the carbon, you could tell like I love this type of pattern. What is this carbon called like this?
Well, on the
Forged? Yeah.
Forged carbon. Yeah.
It was the same as the perf.
I love. Yeah, it's just kind of crazy. Are you doing like a big wing or anything off this?
Yeah,
or?
actually we are. We're developing a wing right now. It's very Formula One. It comes up straight off the chassis mount and comes up, and just kind of hangs to the back.
Dude, that's insane.
Oh, I can't wait. I mean,
we actually have fenders for it too, but the fenders are actually like they're just like
I know where he's going.
Vinny's gonna buy us a so.
The way that we're doing it too, it's a modified Lambo, right? So at the end of the day, Vinny, you.
Oh, great.
We'll help you source.
Here's the pitch.
Yeah, we'll help you source the Gallardo, right? We'll find the good bases for the build. We actually take it to R3 Motorsports out in California.
Yep.
I don't know if you're familiar with them. We'll do like a complete refresh because you don't want a tired old Gallardo for the base car. So new clutch, new lines, everything. Go through new brakes, everything. And then we actually take it out to thermal and set it up with the correct your driving style, however you really want it, and we get it all set up.
hard.
Yeah. And then, and the way that we did this one is once it was down to the chassis, we 3D scanned the entire chassis, and then we did all of our design in CAD, right?
Okay.
So then from there, we never did a clay model or anything. We went straight from
Wow.
our data to the
Brad, you can
the
appreciate
machine.
that because
Yeah.
you build your cars.
Yep.
Yep. Holy cow.
So it was all done in Alias in 3D. Cut the molds and
Unbelievable.
what you see.
Well, so this is like a teaser of an
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
episode
That's
that this
right.
guy and I
We'll
are
get
going
it
to
out
do.
there. Yeah.
That's what we
Bring
need
it
to do.
over and you drive it any
Absolutely.
day.
Let's put it in the barn garage. We'll have you show up in your
Yeah.
Slayer.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Or maybe we'll go to your house because we can actually do burnouts in your. My wife
we
would
could
kill
just
me.
we could link it up to a chain on the C train and just rip all four.
Awesome.
He's like, no.
Yeah.
So teaser price point.
Yeah, I mean, around half.
Okay.
Right.
That seems pretty reasonable
Yeah,
actually. For
yeah,
what it
all
is.
in. That's including the base car.
That's awesome.
All in, you're around half a mil.
You hear that? I know some of you guys that follow me are going to be calling him.
And what's
here in
cool is,
Charlotte,
every single one we've already decided to obviously they're all going to be completely customized to directly to
Of course.
tailor made. But if you get a white one, for
I
example,
love how he says you.
I know.
nobody else can have the white one, right? Like so of the 15 I want, like nobody can,
I like
we're never
that.
going to duplicate a color unless
Okay.
unless like our guy who's getting 3, we're doing like kind of a
variation?
triplets of
Yeah.
them, right?
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go help them. You're still following me. And you know what?
Your footsteps, bro. It's like, how many miles are you gonna put on those feet today?
I didn't wear my watch. I think yeah, see, he's coming down the street, so we're good.
yeah,
and we'll just,
that's
hey,
all.
let's go tell him he's out of a job.
Oh, hey, Miller, are you guys done? I mean,
How's
do
it
you want to
going?
take your sweet time or anything? Or?
Oh, a little bit, yeah. Sweet time.
I've been filming all morning.
Dude, I was like, people are gonna be like, Miller, what? Oh, hold on, wait a second, that's not Miller. Dude, did you bring some cars out today?
Yeah, bro. I'll finally give the camera back to the cameraman.
I've heard you got some good shots today.
Oh, it's probably better than yours, but it's fine.
You've been shooting their picture profile, that's good.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
he
did you hear-
changed that.
Did you hear
Oh.
about his
I'll tell you that.
replacement?
Is
it a picture?
Shooting.
Okay, that's Vinny.
There we go, now we're solid.
You changed the profile on filming.
We've been filming so much too. Is that bad?
No, it's good, it's all good.
Well, hold on.
All the
That
settings are
camera has
different.
been in like 10 different hands.
Oh, that's good.
So someone
yeah.
could hit a button or
I'm glad you have good insurance then.
Well, I looked over and Vinny's trying to film, talk, do this. So I said, man, I kind of feel bad for Vinny. Does he not have a film guy? Hey, do you want me to take the camera? So he said, your pay is going to me today. Thank
Oh, sweet.
you. See ya.
See ya. You taking a knife to your 3M?
Rocks out, bro.
I gave Brad my mom's car.
Wait, what?
So watch. So watch. Brad's got my mom's car because something went wrong in his. So. Come back with this on bags, and I'll be so stoked.
Buy your mom a new car. Seriously.
She doesn't want it.
I got in the car, I go, what is wrong with him?
She wants this.
Hey, no big deal. We're trying to, have a good time, and the truck's broke, so we got to go get parts.
We gave him a real car. a big deal, but it's a big deal to me because you're my first YouTube star.
Yeah.
Guest.
I'm that guy.
So I just made you a little something because I thought it would be kind of cool.
No, it's
as
cool.
like a memento for us. That's awesome.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I
Thank
love
you for
you.
everything, man. Love
Love
you, man.
you.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Well,
So it's the thumbnail of the video too,
Yeah,
which
it's
is cool.
awesome.
So it's just like, and it,
no, this
it's
was a
us.
good time. It's funny. It's like what this has inspired me to even do, and I'm working on something massive right now for the car community, and hoping Tom Barnes and I are trying to put it together and really get something together that could change the dynamic of the car community. But it's also like doing that video made me realize, like, hey, you know what? Maybe I should do a lot more of this to really spread the word. So I've got some stuff up in the whims, and we'll be doing a lot of partnering up here soon.
It's funny how we not only inspire the next gen, we inspire each other.
Yeah, all the time. Or we're very bad habits of buying cars. So we're either gonna go broke together or we're gonna make it big together. I don't know which one, but either way, I still
We're
love
having
it.
fun in the process, so who gives a shit?
So it's pretty awesome.
So thank you. Thank you for that. Yep, and thank you for coming today, dude. You broke my car show.
No, it's all good. Hey, man.
People are loving
Yeah,
that shit, dude.
I anytime I can be a part of something like this, I'm gonna make it happen. I've already put 1,000 miles on the car, so yeah. I mean, most people are, most collectors are like, this guy's terrible for our values. I'm like, no, I'm great.
No, you're great
Yeah.
because theirs are worth more now.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's awesome.
Good.
man.
This show's awesome.
Thanks, dude.
I actually
Appreciate it.
love Mooresville for all the old school stuff, and this brings it together. I wish I had all my classics out here today, though. I do.
Yeah, that's
I just gotta get retro to get done with them, and we'll be getting.
I know.
We'll be pretty.
I know.
Yeah.
Daniel, did you hear that?
Yeah, Daniel. Actually, it's probably more my fault. I keep adding stuff to the list.
Yes, you do. He tells me
Yeah.
that every time I
Yeah.
go in there. Well, Brian wants this now. I'm like, oh, okay.
I told him, I was like,
I was
if I ask you for anything, I need you to say no for the next 6 months. And he started to say no to me. I'm like, God, I don't like
That's
this.
awesome.
So.
I love it.
All right, guys.
Cool.
I'm gonna go put
All right.
this in my car.
Sounds good.
Yep.
Heck yeah. That's awesome.
My name is Vinny. I'm with MV2 Investments. This building that you see back here is one of ours that we just completed. Before I get into the cars is Station 222, which is behind you. The reason we branded it as Station 222 is you'll notice there is a railroad track across the street. And we're very sensitive with history. The old railway station is right down the street on the other side of that stoplight towards downtown. So we thought how fitting to brand the building after the history of the railroad track in downtown Mooresville. Bean car guys, for the second time, my 67 Camaro did not make it here today. I actually built a car as a tribute to downtown and the rebirth of downtown and Mill 1. So the color of the car is red and it has black stripes to mimic the brick and the accents on the Mill 1 building. And 100% of that car was built in Mooresville, and 90% of the parts of that car were sourced in Mooresville. So we thought if we're gonna rebuild downtown Mooresville, we're gonna build a tribute car to dedicate to the downtown and to that building. So before I announce the winners, which are in my pocket, I just wanna say thank you to all of you guys for coming out because you're amazing. If you weren't here, I would be standing alone next to my car and that wouldn't have been very fun. Secondly, my team is here with both our management team. We have Isabel and Molly standing over here. They're incredible. If you wanna go check out one of the buildings, go talk to them. And then my team, Mark, Amy, and Leanne, who's actually my mom. And then also one other person, I want to two others actually. We have Downforce Motorsports, they're sponsored. They built the continuation Shelby Cobras and GT40s and all that good stuff. Hope you said hi to Dan down there. And also Forge Speed. Unfortunately, Daryl Johnson, who's the builder, could not be here today, but he has been helping judge cars behind the scenes. We've had some secret judges out there and they've been sending it to Daryl while he's sitting at home wishing he could be here, so we tried to still include him. So without further ado, since I did not judge these cars, do not get mad at me. We picked built cars to be the winners. Classic cars that we could tell, that they could tell, had tons of passion behind them in their builds. And he is very picky. He sent his judges, who are also very picky. So in third place, And it's an incredible car. I think it's a 67. It's a 1967 Pontiac GTO. It's in silver. It's parked by the Thai restaurant. My understanding is Don Lowe is the owner. If you could come up here, Don, we'd love to give you a little piece of history of downtown.
Thank you.
Second place, I do not have a name. It's unknown. 1969, we believe, and we also believe it's a 1969. It's a silver C10 long bed truck. Does anybody know the owner? Oh, he's right here. 67. We were off by 2 years. That's a long time. Thank you very much for bringing it out today. All right, first place. Here we go. First place, and it is a beautiful build, is a 1961 Bel Air bubble top in burgundy, and I believe the owner's name is Tony. Where's Tony? There he is in the green shirt. You win first place with a piece of history of downtown. Thank you. And you also win a hammer tool set that I forgot to tell you was also coming with the prize from our builder, along with your trophy. Other than that, we're gonna, it's getting really hot. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a little bit more fun. We're gonna have some food, some music. If you guys have any questions or want to talk to us at all, we'll be by the DJ booth. But thank you so much again for coming. We're probably gonna shut down here in the next hour because it's getting hot. But thank you. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming today. I hope you had as much fun as everybody else because my head's spinning. I don't even know where I am right now. Tired, hot, but you know, sometimes when a show goes down well, it's the people behind the scenes that make it great, and I'm not saying that for me. The team I had here today helping is incredible. So thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this. If you weren't here, hope the recap fills your soul, and we'll see you the next time.